Welcome to the 10th video of the physics lecture series for the National Science and Mathematics Olympiad. In this video, we will discuss two distinct but related concepts, velocity and speed. What do we mean when we ask how fast something is moving? In everyday conversations, we usually think of its speed. But in physics, we also care about the direction of the movement, which gives us the velocity. Let's take a deeper look at the difference. Speed is the answer to the question how fast. It is a scalar quantity, so it only has a magnitude but no direction. For example, we can say that a person's speed is 5 meters per second. Velocity, on the other hand, answers the question how fast, but also what direction. It is a vector quantity because it has both a magnitude and a direction. For example, we can say that a person's velocity is 5 meters per second to the east. How can we determine the speed? If we want to know the average speed of the object, we have to divide the total distance the object covered by the total time of the movement. If we want to know the instantaneous speed, so the speed at a given moment, we have to take a very small segment of time and divide the distance covered during that small time by the time. The average velocity is a vector quantity. We can get it as the displacement of the journey over the total time. Take a look at this expression. You can see that we have vector quantities on both sides of the equation. So we have the average velocity vector here, and we have the displacement vector here. This is unlike the expression we had for the average speed, where both sides only contained scalars. When sitting in a car, you can always see how fast you are moving. Now think about it a bit. What does this instrument really tell you? Is it the average speed, the instantaneous speed, or the average velocity? Finally, let's see an example. A runner completes a lap on a 100-meter long circular track in 20 seconds. What is his average speed and velocity? To calculate the average speed, we have to divide the distance run, so 100 meters, by the total time, which is 20 seconds. So the average speed will be 5 meters per second. To get the average velocity, though, we have to use the displacement instead of the distance. As the runner ran a whole lap, he returned to the starting point, which means that the displacement is 0 meters. So we have to divide 0 meters by 20 seconds, so the result will be 0 meters per second. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.